One did.
Oh, the mariachi band. Come on.
Okay, we are here in Norway.
And we're going
The gods of the Vikings.
Oh, the sign just blew up. Odin and Thor, gods of the Vikings.
There we go.
And if you want, you can even walk around the building.
Yeah,
we
walk
tried
around
it.
this. Actually, look at the detail around the door.
I know, it's amazing.
Let's go in and check it out.
Oh, you haven't left yet.
They said I was.
Okay.
Let's give me discounts to my sister. They said they were like useful $1,000.
The Cirrus?
That is pretty cool.
I wonder what these people are. Oh, here, there's names up at the top. Not that I could read what they say.
What? Because I work right next to Starbucks and I know the workers there.
Oh, so they fuck with you.
But they could easily get in
There's a
trouble.
scene right here.
Yeah.
They fucking cops. Bro, I was low-key scared as fuck. I was sitting there, there's 2 cops there.
Is that Thor, do you think?
And then, yeah,
I think that's Thor.
Yes, because you can see the looks like a TNR.
Okay, yeah, okay. So,
they banned me for 3 years. So
Odin is the ruler of gods. Odin in the mead of poetry.
There's Thor.
Thor, the protector of God. He's only protecting God, actually, not all gods. Is that what that means?
I think it's the
The world tree. Vikings believed that the universe consisted of 9 worlds that formed from the, I can't see, but that says the glare, primal elements of water and fire, and we are connected by the limbs of the magnificent.
Loki's the god of mischief. That's why he's always the bad guy in those Marvel
But,
films.
and Loki and the mistletoe.
I don't know what the mistletoe part is about. Freya. Freya looks like Groot.
Right?
Groot without as much growth.
He is the greatest goddess. Or she.
The greatest goddess.
So it's a she.
She's not too good looking.
What is this? EPCOT wishes to thank you for the following visuals for their gracious support.
Iceland, Sweden, Norway. Very
Stockholm.
nice. Okay, let's go back out this way now.
Jose.
So this comes up, and I think you can walk around this building.
Oh, the other side, because Thor and what was the other one on the other side? Thor and Odin. So Frey and Loki are on
Yep.
this side.
Let's walk around this little skinny building. Oh, this is a dead end, so we have to go the other
we
way.
have to go the other way. That's kind of weird that it doesn't wrap around the whole way.
Stave Church Gallery, welcome. Okay.
Oh, it's so nice out right now.
This is pretty narrow.
It's a good place to actually take cover from rain.
Yeah, secret spot. Don't tell anybody. We have to delete this movie. Delete this film.
And of course, that's gonna not wrap around because it's the end.
That's the end.
Oh, I feel rain. That's why everybody's kind of rushing. So we're gonna stay right here,
So
which
we're
we
gonna
just said.
We're gonna hide in here and just interview people as they come through.
Scoot over a little. There we go.
The rain has started.
So nice.
This is a bad week here in Florida. It's good
Orlando.
for the environment because we needed the rain, but it's bad if you're coming to visit Disney.
It's funny too because this just came out of the blue. It's only 12:30. Whoop, Fox Weather app,
You can tell how windy it got. Look at the waves on the water.
right? Orlando. Oops.